Hello and welcome everybody to another video review, this time of Transformers Combiner Wars Air Raid. As you can see, he is a black F-15 style jet with nice gold, red, and silver on the wings. He has a large chunk underneath him, but it doesn't bother me all that much. His weapons consist of a white version of Skydive's gun, and the same hand-foot gun that Skydive came with. He has two ports underneath the wings, one port on either side of the other side, and one peg on top of here. So you can put the weapons on him any way you like. As for features in this mode, the wings can swing out, so if you prefer something like that, you can have it. And for transformation, fold the wings forward and fold them up. Then grab the back of the, fold up the tail fins and grab the back of the vehicle and open it up, and extend it out like on every other Aerobot. Then stand him up and split his legs. Fold out the arms. Fold back the nose cone. Come on. And rotate the head. And there you have Transformers Combiner Wars Air Raid in robot mode. Now you can plug the gun on his forearm. Well, the guns on his forearms. Articulation, he has a ball-jointed head with a good amount of motion up and down. Ball-jointed shoulders, 360. Swivel below that, 90-degree elbow, ball-joint hip, swivel, 90-degree knee. So he has average articulation, just the same stuff as all the other Aerobots have. Joints are a little loose on mine, but he definitely feels like he has the best plastic out of all of them. For a size comparison, here he is with Combiner Wars Skydive. So he's about the same size as Combiner Wars Skydive. And should you get him? If you're getting Superion, yes, I would recommend you get him, obviously. Otherwise, he's just an okay figure, and if you want to know about Jetformer, he is the best of the Aerobots Deluxe class-wise. Anyway, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.